Aloha and welcome to EF Honolulu. We're happy to invite you to our shores of Oahu. We're located right in the middle of Waikiki, literally 3 minutes away from the beach. We've been around since 2008, but we have many different centers that are also with Education First all around the country. Come study with us in Hawaii. Typical day. It can vary. Our schedules are based off of the fact students will have some classes in the morning and others in the afternoon. So it tends to go on what we call a W schedule. They'll have morning classes, then afternoon classes, morning, then afternoon, and morning. That way they're able to experience all that Hawaii has to offer at different parts of the day. So some students will wake up, if you're living in a host family, you'd wake up, maybe catch the bus. It takes no more than 1 hour to get to the school by bus from their host families, and then they'll come to the school, start their classes. Our classes run from 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. With some classes being in the afternoon and some being in the morning. And so students will go to class, and they'll be in class for at least, they'll probably have class from 8:30 and then class until 9:50, and then they'll have a 10-minute break. Class resumes at 10 o'clock, and then they'll go until 11:20, and then they'll have a break for another 10 minutes, and then they might have an additional class, which would be a special interest class that the student can choose, or they will be free for the day. So they'll have generally classes in the morning and the afternoon. Then once they're finished with class, they might head over to the beach, grab a snack down at the Starbucks, and or they might go on an activity with our activities coordinator, Julia. They could even start going skydiving right after they finish class, and then finish up their day with dinner at their host family, and then they all sit around the table, practice their English with some of the other international students that they might be staying with, or just other members of the family in their host family. And every experience is different just based off what the student wants to do. It could involve a little shopping. Well, we have two different kinds of programs. So we have short-term programs and long-term programs. For the short-term programs, those are students who are here for less than 6 months, and all of those students are together. Those classes tend to be a bit more relaxed because some students might just want to be here for 3 months, and they really just want to experience all that Hawaii has to offer while still building their English skills. And then we have our long-term classes, which are for students who are here for more than 6 months, and all of those long-term students are together. So those students tend to be more focused, really determined to learn the English language while they're here and get immersed in this environment, and eager to just keep building up that skill level. A lot of times they're just preparing to go to university or to go on to work in a field where they'll need to speak English on a daily basis. So those students tend to be really serious about their studies. Right now we have 6 different levels. We have beginner, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and upper advanced.